Good morning! So we are here in Palma Real Estates Residential Community in Biñan, Laguna. So ito yung pinaka bago nilang model which they call Samantha model. So titignan natin yung loob kung gaano siya kaganda. This is with a lot area of 120 square meter and also a floor area with 80 square meter. Then complete type na po ang turnover. So lilipatan nyo na lang. Ayan. So, this is the sala area. Then, meron siyang sliding door sa gilid. And here is the kitchen area. Meron tayong room sa baba. So, kung meron tayong mga elderly na kasama, perfect po to para hindi na sila umaakyat. And we also have a CR sa first floor. And let us see kung gaano kalaki yung area sa likod. So yan, you have a laundry area at the back. Okay, so let's go to the second floor. Ito yung mid-price namin na housing malapit sa Paseo. So, kung naghahanap ka ng near Paseo or near Nuvali, swak na swak to sa'yo. And this is 3.9 million. Yan. Meron kaming mga affordable na RFO which is also 3.9. So, meron siyang veranda sa labas or a small balcony. So, this is your view in the second floor. Okay, so yun, yung mga nakikita nyong tinatayo or nakatayo na, yan yung mga available na ready for occupancy. Pero kung mabigat sa inyo yung ready for occupancy, you can also get a pre-selling para payable in longer term in maybe. Okay, so yung isang kwarto nakasarado. Hindi natin mapapasok. Pero pakita ko yung kanilang CR sa second floor. So we have here 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Okay, so this is our Palma Real Residential Estates located in Biñan, Laguna. Very accessible through Mamplasan exit kaya sobrang lapit din sa Metro Manila. Super near the Mamplasan exit lang to. Okay, so here is the community. Diba? Ang ganda. Very peaceful. Okay, so yun yung mga existing neighbor. Mapapansin nyo may bungalow. Since pwede ka rin mag-acquire ng lot only dito. Kung gusto mo namang magtayo ng sarili mong design ng bahay, you can also have a lot only here in Palma Real Residential Estates in Biñan. So, that's it guys. For more project updates, follow me in this page and follow me in IG. Ellen Ballesteros. See you next time.